Welcome to Global Gist News. I'm Tatiana. Who invented sweets? The history of sweets dates back thousands of years. The first forms of sugar were derived from natural sources like fruits, honey, and later sugarcane. However, the concept of sweets, as we know them today, began to evolve over time with the development of advanced cooking techniques and the discovery of new ingredients. In ancient civilizations, people would sweeten their food using honey and dates. The Egyptians were known to make sweet pastries and cakes, some of which were served to the gods as offerings. The real turning point in the creation of modern sweets happened during the Middle Ages in Europe, when sugar became more accessible and the art of sugarcraft was born. By the 17th century, sugar was being widely used in European kitchens, not only for sweetening, but for creating elaborate confections, such as candied fruits. The process of candy making became more refined and complex as more ingredients like chocolate, vanilla, and spices began to be incorporated. The 19th century brought major advances in the industrialization of sweet production, making it possible for sweets to be mass produced. This this was sweets spread globally, leading to the diverse range of treats we enjoy today. So, while we can't credit a single person with the invention of sweets, it's clear that over the centuries, various cultures and civilizations have contributed to the creation of the sweet treats we can't live without. So, stay tuned for more updates and insights. Thank you for watching Global Gist News, and we'll see you next time.